is Thursday, October the 20th. It is a cold morning in beautiful PA. It's about 28 degrees right now. Set up in a spot I got permission on this year. Farmer just cut the corn, I'm not sure when. It looks pretty fresh. Right when I got to my tree, a deer bounded off into the beans. Probably only 25 yards from me. Couldn't see what it was, just heard it. Cut standing beans, cut corn, standing corn. Got a lot of does moving through this area. Hoping one of those come through, or a shooter buck. Maybe even a little buck will push a doe to me, you never know. Pretty sure I heard one bumping a doe in the thicket back behind me. Hoping to catch these deer coming from the food to the bed. Just got light enough to shoot. So we're gonna sit tight and stay warm. Thanks for watching, guys.
Oh, I killed him, baby.
He got one! He got one!
Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the heavens, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth.
That was cool. Spotted that buck coming out of the standing corn, cut across the cut corn into the beans. He was all the way on the other tree line. I couldn't see what he was. I don't even know if I filmed him over there. I tried calling to him because I didn't know if he was big or not. I just saw a rack. Called to him. I don't think he heard it. He didn't pay any attention to it. Ended up going to the tree line. Came all the way down and just came into 5 yards, as you saw. He was definitely cruising nose to the ground. All he'd pick his head up to check the wind and keep on moving. Little bucks are going this morning, it seems. My cell cam's going off with does when I'm not even sitting there now. Sat there the other day and didn't see a hair. Hopefully that little buck brings a doe by me or something. Trying to let some carbon fly this morning, out. It's a cold one, that's for sure. Alright guys, well that's just about it for today. It's about 8:40 right now. Had a deer blow at me after that buck went by. I think it might have been him. Anyway, I want to give you a quick rundown of my bow setup for this year. Still shooting the old Mathews Triax. As you can see right here, I got that rigged up with an HHA optimizer light. Got the slider 20 to 80. That's all I need. I got the QAD Ultra wrists. Got brand new America's Best Bowstrings. It's their middle grade series. I think that's the premium, not the platinum ones. For my arrows, I'm running the Easton Axis 5mm. I'm shooting a 340 spine. I think they're coming in right around a 390-ish, 400, somewhere in there. The lighted knock. On the end, I'm shooting a Rage 2-blade chisel tip. That's my bow setup for this year. I'm gonna take you guys off the camera arm and show you my saddle setup and how I set up in the tree real quick. Alright, I got you guys off the camera arm now. I'm gonna spin this around and show you guys how I set up my saddle on just about every hunt. Sometimes on the tree it changes a little bit, but for the most part this is how I run my setup. Sitting off of my left side, obviously I'm a right-handed shooter using a Genesis 3D printing Fulcrum. Been loving that. Got that on the hitch strap from Tethrd. Running Tethrd's 8mm ropes. And I got my GoPro clamped on right there on my lineman or my tether. Coming down, I got my bino pack hanging right in front of me in case I ever need that. On the other side, I got my quiver. Like to keep that handy in case I need a follow-up shot like I did earlier this year. Coming down, I got my Tethrd Predator platform, the regular one. I think that's plenty big for me, so I don't got that big feet. Got the 4th Arrow talon, micro base and shoulder, paired up with the triple arm and the 4th Arrow fluid head and the link controller. I love the base and shoulder. I haven't been a big fan of this arm and fluid head as of right now. It keeps giving me a little wobble. I'm not sure if it'll do it now. No, but when I put my camera on there, it wobbles real bad. Then I got my backpack hanging down below off the hitch strap. And then I'm running the Tethrd Skeletor Sticks with Amsteel 8ers from Vital Ground Outdoors. So that's my setup, guys. I hope this helped you a little bit. My lens is getting foggy as the frost is coming up. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys a little bit. Good luck the rest of the year. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with all your buddies. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, by the way. I'm gonna have a giveaway coming soon, as that's a pretty big accomplishment for me. Can't wait to see where this channel goes and what we can spread to the community. Thanks for watching, guys.